listener, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video, and unfortunately the box is a little bit squished, but I'm really hoping that doesn't mean anything and hopefully nothing got damaged. So, oh, April. Okay, finally we have gotten the April box. Wow, I am boxing these so out of order. The last Kawaii box I unboxed was the May one. Yeah, so they're literally coming. I got June, then May, then April, so I'm hoping that the next one I get will be July. I'm actually really excited for July, to be honest, because I think it is the Sanrio theme, but we'll wait and see. This theme is Sakura, so this should be a really good one because I feel like any stationery or any theme with Sakura just always comes out really cute and pretty. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little unicorn. I was like, why is it 2 strips? It's just one. It just has this tag on it. It's a cute little unicorn plushie. And this, for some reason, it's giving me like baby cloth vibes. I'm pretty sure. But maybe it's more like a face cloth. Yeah, I could see this being like a face cloth you'd use in the bathroom. But also really cute. And, ooh, chocolate. Oh, this will be... I don't know how you guys think. I'm like, Sakura chocolate is always hit and miss. I just had a pack of Sakura flavored Oreos and they were okay. So I'm really keen to see what this one's going to be. Sakura Pinku. Sakura Pink. This will be interesting. Tobias will be really keen to try this. He loves chocolate. And we've got... Do I have this? No, I've got something really similar. So this is a pen, a B2 pencil. Sorry, pen. I meant pencil, which I won't sharpen because I keep these till I'm ready to use them. And then this is a 3 ink pen. Looks ballpoint. It seems really gimmicky. So if it wasn't for this unicorn at the top, I would say this would be a pretty comfortable pen to use. But anything that puts weight at the end always tends to be a little heavier. However, let's try it out at the end of the video and just see how it writes. And then we've got a little little notepad. She looks like Charmy Kitty. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but like there's a younger version of Hello Kitty, I think. I might be completely misremembering. She kind of looks like it, but I know she's not because she's a little different. But yeah, it's a little notepad, 2 different designs. This is really cute. I love functional, cute stationery. That's the stuff I could never... It sounds really bad. It's the stuff that I find really hard to part with because I always want to use them. And I always use little bits and pieces of them. But I want to get to a point where I use all of them. And this... I think this is more note paper or post-it notes. Let's try it out. Let's have a quick look. Oh yeah, it's post-it notes. So it's like... The sticky part is here, but you can write notes and stick them down, and this one has more writing space. This is actually perfect. Oh, and there's another design here. So you got 3 designs. Oh, it's so festive and Easterish. Kind of makes me sad that Easter was very non-Easter-like for probably most of the world. Everyone being locked down. And then the last thing, which I don't know, I may already have this one because it looks like something I purchased for myself the last time I went to Japan, which was basically a little pocket of twin star stickers. I'll have to compare it with my stash in the office, but these are basically really cute twin star stickers on washi paper, and they're individual. This is so cute. I mean, even if I have it, it doesn't matter because I'd be already using it and I could totally use a top up. I told you I'm like such a fan. I'm such a fan of Sanrio. This is so cute. This is probably the highlight for me, to be honest. I love anything Sanrio. So what I'm going to do is put this aside and let's test out the pen. Okay, the reason this looks so familiar is because I have a pen like this, but it's a light up unicorn. It must have come in a previous kit, but I really like that light up unicorn. As impractical as it may be, it's very cute. Okay, so I'm going to test out this gray, blue, and then pink. Oh, I'm not going to lie. This writes really well. Like, the ink is flowing through really well. And I'm not having to Like a lot of the times when you try a new ballpoint pen, so this is ballpoint, not gel, the beginning skips quite a bit, so you have a bit of skipping ink just as the metal ball gets used to having some ink flow through, but this wrote perfectly. And even though these colors on the pen here, they look very pastel and colorful, they're actually very practical colors. Hopefully you can see the focus. So this is stuff I would genuinely use in my note-taking. But yeah, that is everything in April's Kawaii Box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.